My vision so 2020. Ain't never seen no shit clearer like it's painted in my eyes. It won't wipe away when I... Yo, what it is, it's your girl Star, and I'm tapping in on a little dish. You already know how I do when I get in the kitchen. You know, I'm whipping it. Alright, but check me out though. So currently right now I'm on a raw vegan detox, and I'm going to show y'all a little quick little raw dish that I always make. It's like one of my go-tos, and I just want to show y'all how I make it, and hopefully you can make it and you'll like it. You know what I'm saying? I've already got most of my stuff prepared just to save time this time. So let's get into it. You hear me? And again, we making raw vegan mushroom tacos. I'm gonna say chicken, but somebody gonna be like, that ain't chicken, but it look like it. So that's what I say it is. But yeah. Alright. So here are the ingredients to the sauce that's gonna go on the mushrooms. So I got some onions that I kind of sort of shredded up. I eat onions raw, but I like them like smaller, you know, so they don't have like a strong taste. So I got some onions that I've already shredded up. I got some white mushrooms that I've already chopped up. I have some cherry tomatoes that I've already chopped up. And these right here, my friend, these are sun-dried tomatoes. If you ain't never had sun-dried tomatoes, you definitely need to try some. Try some for real, for real. You can get them in the store. You want to be careful on the ingredients list because you want to make sure that you have the least amount of ingredients. You want to make sure there's no Parmesan cheese because they do try you. They do try you in the sun-dried tomatoes. They'll throw some Parmesan cheese in there and you won't even know it. You'll be like, oh, this is the best tomatoes I ever ate, and there'll be cheese in it because I done did it before. Trust me. But you can also get some that's dried and you can chop them up and put them in your own oil and season them and stuff just to get your own flavor if you're really into all of that. But yeah, so we're gonna start with this. We're gonna start with the sauce for our tacos. So we're gonna put all of this. We're gonna put it in the bowl. Right. All right, so we got all of that in the bowl. Then alright, so I make my own dressing. I don't buy dressing. And usually my dressing is just lime, key lime, or key lime, I'm sorry, and grapeseed oil, and I usually just season it, and that's usually my dressing for my salads. But so we're gonna do this, we're gonna get the lime real quick. Right. Squeeze that on in there. Right. Grapeseed oil. So far we got grapeseed oil. We got lime juice. Tahini. Alright, now I have tahini. Now tahini, it's pretty much sesame seeds that they grounded up like peanut butter. So it tastes like peanut butter, but it's not sweet. So just so you know what you're getting when you get it. It looks just like peanut butter, but it's not sweet. So I'm gonna put like, to start off, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. Put this right here. Use that again, and I'm gonna stir this up. Alright, so the sauce is kind of brown, but it's a little dry on the dry side for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some more lime juice. Get a little bit more oil. And then a little bit of water. We in the kitchen whipping in our white tea. We in the kitchen whipping in our white tea. Alright, so check me out though. So, boom. We got our sauce. Alright, so we got everything mixed up. You know what I'm saying? you want it to be a little juicy. I ain't gonna say watery because you don't want it to be watery, but you want it to be juicy because you don't want it to be like you eating peanut butter mushrooms. You feel me? Like you don't want that. You know what I'm saying? There's also something that I ain't tell y'all I was gonna put in there. I'm gonna put some olives. All right. So I'm gonna also put like a couple olives in here. I'm gonna get a spoon of these olives, and I'm just gonna throw them in there. Like if you don't like olives, like they're a little meaty, and because I don't eat meat, you know, I like stuff that's kind of like, you know, meaty. Feel like you're eating a little something. You know what I'm saying? So, all right. So, okay. Now we got our mushrooms, onions, tomatoes, and sun-dried tomatoes. This is what it look like. I'm gonna show you. All right. So now we have everything mixed up well. Now we're gonna season it. See, we ain't added no seasoning yet. So here we go. Light work on the ginger. The ginger can get real strong real fast if you don't be careful. So ginger, we got basil. I got some dill. No dill. Don't do me like this in front of these people. Dill. Sprinkle if it come out. Okay. I got crushed red pepper because I like everything hot. You know what I'm saying? Everything. Got some oregano. I got some onion powder. Now you want to add a little bit of everything because you don't want it to be too strong because you ain't got that. You know what I'm saying? You got a lot of stuff in here. A little salt. Straight from the cow. All right, mix it up. Already know, you know what I'm saying? So we made our chicken fillings by Tako. I was filling them on video, but what happened was, I don't know. I don't got that video. But pretty much, I just pretty much got my boats. 2 little romaine hearts. I cut off the thick part of the vein at the bottom. I cut it in a V so it's like a little boat and it holds the stuff you put inside. And I pretty much just filled these 2 romaine hearts with the toppings that I just made with y'all. The mushrooms, olives, onions. And I'm gonna take another picture from another view so y'all can really see what they look like. But they be busting, you know what I'm saying? If you make it, let me know how it tastes. Let me know what you really thought about it. You know what I'm saying? Don't play with me. You know what I'm saying? If you gonna make it and let me know what you thought. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on IG at @StarOfficially.